I'm happy with this order of authentic Ray-Ban Aviator glasses, and here is why. First, they are authentic and not fakes. I've had several pairs of Ray-Bans, including these similar glasses that I lost, which is why I ordered them again and checked everything to confirm their authenticity. I like that they included the case, cleaning wipe, and official manual booklet. It also had the Ray-Ban inner etching signature, the comfortable nose guards with Ray-Ban logo, and the serial number on the inner left of the glasses. These glasses are made in China, one of the locations where Ray-Bans are made, including Italy. I tested these out in the best location for Aviator glasses, and they are fantastic. They are lightweight, fit great, perfect to wear on sunny days, and of course look great. Overall, well worth the price, and I highly recommend this seller for authentic sunglasses and fast shipping. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.